What's up, YouTube? You can see I changed where I park my little truck because my Colorado wouldn't fit in here. Now my wife out here acting crazy. Pretty sure. Yep. Out here acting crazy. And my son's naked as usual. And my wife looks angry. She's angry because I'm selling her Acadia. It rained last night a little bit.
What?
It rained last night a little bit. Or yesterday. Where'd that water come from? Anyways, let's head up in here. Let my wife do what she's doing. So we had to stick to Colorado in the shop. Now I definitely wasn't planning on doing this. But you know, after thinking about it, I thought, you know, it'll probably fit in the shop, no problem. And because it just barely did not fit where I wanted it on that third car spot. Like the door would barely hit it. So I ended up stuffing it in here. But I mean, if it's in here, fits. I mean, it's kind of, you know, it's kind of tight. But I do have a lot of stuff stuffed in here, you know. But you can still walk by right here, no problem. So, anyways, you know, it looks good in here. Keep it out of the sun, whatever. Because the thing is, I drive my company vehicle. I don't drive these vehicles too much. So, actually, let's go back here before we get into here. Trying to get rid of this lawnmower and stuff. Just move this stuff out the way. You know, this truck makes some funny noises, man, when you open the door and stuff. But so I got this box in. You can see it's from Bob's Automotive Mirrors. And I just kind of opened it up to kind of see what's in there, but I didn't really pull nothing out. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so just so in case you want to order one of these, you know what to expect. It looks like it's just a mirror wrap in here, some bubble wrap. I mean, it's wrapped pretty good. I wouldn't see there being any kind of issue with this. I would have thought it came in a box, but you know, it is what it is. But okay, so see, that's why it does say frameless. They weren't lying. And it looks like that's the 10-pin connector. And it does look like it has a single torque screw right here. See if you guys can see that there. Let me turn this little light on. Maybe it'll help a little bit. But anyways, and you got your, looks like a Bluetooth. Not sure what that's about. It's got a Bluetooth button, and it has like 1, 2, 3 garage doors. So, all right, there we go. And then it looks like we have some instructions. We got some Bob on there. So this is where I got it. If you want to check it out, Bob's Automotive Mirrors. Got their phone number and the website. And then let's see. It's got little instructions right here. So, and it's just okay. So this has some instructions for Homelink training. All right, so let's. I don't want to mess with this too much, but let's go to. Let's figure out how to get this old one out, and then we will worry about installing the new one. You know, I am gonna have to go get my key too. So let me pause the video real quick. I gotta get this piece out. I know you gotta pull the centerpiece off first, then this or whatever. And I think it's just a single Torx. And then, let me go grab my key. All right, so let's point this mirror all the way down. So I already pulled this out, and it was kind of a pain. because I pulled the whole thing out and then the center was like stuck in there. Let me adjust this camera a bit here. So, but you do want to try to get the center part out first. You know, it doesn't mean you're going to be able to, because I wasn't able to. But anyway, so let me try to do that part, and then we're going to see. Let me see if I can set the camera up right here. All right, well, hopefully you can get a good shot of what I'm doing or trying to do here. But I'm going to try to pop this center off first. Okay, so I got one side. Okay, good. So see, this can just kind of hang there, I believe, and then you can just kind of, with your fingers, just kind of pull this side out, these clips. Yep. See, and then you just kind of like wiggle this out here. So you wiggle the center out, and you can pull it down. So the key is just to get this center part out. Alright, so now, let's see, the original one had a T20 Torx. Oh, and it's the same, so that's good. Okay, so there we go. So it's just a T20, and then you have your plug, and that's it. And it just pops right out. I mean, you can see. Popped right out. All right, let me grab the other one. All right, so yeah, I know my hair's kind of wild. My wife hates it. I've been letting it grow and be natural. Yeah, she's not too happy with it. Try to be free. I'll probably end up getting a haircut soon. All right, so looks like we're just going to slide this bad boy back in. Can I tell if I'm all the way or not? Let me make sure I don't have to back that out anymore. Okay, there we go. All right, so now it feels like it went all the way down. And we can tighten this. And then we plug it in. Of course, this is Murphy proof. We're going to plug it in one way. All right. I'm going to say that that's done. That was pretty simple. So let's let me see here. Let me move some of this stuff here. Let's put this outer deal on. You know, before I put this back on, let me get a little bit of video so you can at least see the clips here. So you see on the outside, it like, this is the clips it looks like. So you kind of know what it looks, and then at the bottom, so you can kind of see. And then the centerpiece, you can kind of see what's going on. Just before I snap it back up there, but you can see it was actually simple as long as you get that centerpiece out first. That's the main thing that you got to do. Okay. You know, that's not going to work, is it? Oh yeah, now I'm going to struggle more getting it on. Aren't I? I should have plugged this in. I'm thinking up here. I'm thinking I should have went this way. More like that. Let's see. I guess we'll find out. It's in there good. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's probably the key right there, is to getting that routed up through that way. And then this one just kind of pops in the same way. Okay. My boy handed me a flashlight, and then I figured out, I kind of scraped it a little bit right there. But I kind of figured out that it was the cable was in the way. So I had to like move the cable out of the way. That's what the problem was the whole time. Guess I should have just grabbed a flashlight. But as you can see, there it is. I do kind of like the frameless mirror. Let me see if I can turn this off here. It says if you by installing this, you're agreeing to the terms of this product. But you can see here, let's kick this light back on here. So, all right, so let's let me grab the instructions, look them over, and then we're gonna program this thing. Let's see here if I can get the camera a little closer. So let's do it again. So let's hold these two on the outside to redo it. So after 10 seconds, should start flashing. Okay, and it does. And then it says to hold the one you want to control. So it flashes slowly. Now it's flashing. Now to hit the transmitter 1 to 3 inches away until that one starts flashing fast. And it did. Okay, so now I believe we just press it. Now let's see in the mirror if you can see. Is it going to work? There it goes. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there it goes. See if we can see it in the mirror. See, it's cool because it shows the little arrow too right here. That shows it was going up. So let's see. Now it shows it going down, and if you can see in the mirror, it's going down. All right, so works good. Like I said, don't mind the crazy hair. I'm going for the all natural look. Probably for another week. My wife's gonna make me cut it. Maybe. I'm gonna try to convince her not to. We'll see. But man, you know, let's pull this little sticker off. Now this thing was pretty pricey. I want to say I paid about $77, so 280 bucks, somewhere around there. Pretty pricey. Has a Bluetooth button. I don't really know what that's for. So let me see if it says anything on here. Doesn't really say anything about a Bluetooth, but I mean, I don't really have any concerns about that. I will say it is a nice looking mirror. You know, let me put it. It actually feels really good. You know, like it feels really, really good. Like a factory mirror. Doesn't feel loose, doesn't feel wonky. It is auto dimming. I actually think I like this mirror better than the factory one, to be honest with you. It fits perfect, plugged right in. I mean, it worked. Just press it again, activating. There goes the door. So I actually gonna probably program all my doors for this truck, all my garage doors, even though it's back here. But sometime I get home, maybe want to open the other one. So I'll complete that process, but I don't want this video to go too long. It was just a quick tutorial about how to install one of these Homelink mirrors. I will be honest with you, that was my biggest gripe purchasing this truck, was just the fact that it didn't have a It didn't have a Homelink. It didn't, garage door opener. I'm like, come on, $50,000 for a truck. I mean, it didn't even have the option. You know what I mean? Like, come on. I'm not saying it had to come with it, but at least give me the option to purchase it. Besides that, okay. Look, let me be real honest. This truck is sat in my shop. I haven't even moved it. I still got 55 miles on it. So you guys can see, from when I first brought it home. And that's only because, I don't have to drive this truck. That's only because I know it may sound dumb to some, but I don't want to put nowhere on these seats at all for me or my wife getting in and out. So I ordered the steps. They haven't even been shipped yet. I don't know. I think maybe too many people ordered them at one time. And so they're just, maybe they're on back order or something, whatever. I need to email that company. But we'll wait and see. But like I said, I don't really have to drive this truck. So I'm really not going to drive it until I get these steps on. So I know you guys want some content. That's why I kind of wanted to throw this up there. The steps will be the next thing. And then after that, I don't know. We'll see. Man, I'm having a brain fart. But I did have some stuff that I was thinking about doing. But I don't know. Once I remember it, whatever. There'll be more videos to come. I'm not going to probably go crazy on this truck. But I do want to do some things that maybe they should have optioned from the factory. Like this. Or maybe just things that make the truck a little bit look more cool or whatever. But anyways, we'll just go ahead and cut this video right here. Hope this helps all these Colorado guys out. Signing off. YouTube. Have a wonderful day. Peace.